Hi everyone, welcome to day 5. Today we're going to learn something you'll use in Excel every single day. How to select, edit, copy, and move your data. These are basic skills, but trust me, they make a huge difference in how fast you work. Let's start with selecting data. In Excel, before you do anything, you first need to select the data. To select a single cell, just click on it. To select multiple cells, click, hold, and drag your mouse across the cells. Now here's something important. If you want to select an entire row, just click on the row number on the left. And if you want to select a full column, click on the column letter at the top. Simple, right? Now here's a pro tip. If you want to select different cells that are not next to each other, hold down the Control key and click on each cell. That gives you multiple selections at once. Now let's talk about editing your data. If you want to change something inside a cell, you can just double-click it and start typing. Or you can select the cell and edit it from the formula bar. Once you're done, press Enter to confirm. Now comes the part you'll use all the time. Copy, cut, and paste. To copy something, press Ctrl plus C. To cut, press Ctrl plus X. And to paste, press Ctrl plus V. These shortcuts will save you a lot of time, so try to remember them. Now let me show you a really cool trick. It's called drag and drop. Click on a cell, move your cursor to the border, and when it turns into a four-sided arrow, just drag it and drop it somewhere else. That's it. Your data moves instantly. Now one last thing, when you paste data, you'll see a small icon appear. This gives you paste options. For example, you can paste only the values, or only the formatting, or even the formulas. This is called Paste Special, and it's extremely useful when working with real data. Now it's your turn. Here's what I want you to do. Create a small list of 5 items with their prices. Then, copy the list to another area. Move one item using drag and drop. And try using Paste Special values. Take your time and try everything yourself. All right, great job today. Now you know how to select, edit, copy, and move data in Excel. These skills may look simple, but they are the foundation of everything you'll do next. In the next lesson, we'll start making your Excel sheets look clean and professional using formatting. I'll see you in day 6.